This 2008 Lexus LX 570 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Lexus LX 5700 5.7 LV8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, climate control, front seats, rear DVD entertainment, power, third row seating, heated front seats, cooled front seats, rear view camera, power windows, cruise control, power exterior mirrors, keyless entry, keyless start, black exterior, beige leather interior, owner's manual, floor mats, 2 sets of keys. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2008 Lexus LX 570 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.